human trafficking, and here are 3 things you may have not known. Number 1, human traffickers seek the most vulnerable populations, and this includes runaways, homeless youth, undocumented workers, LGBTQ community, and people with disabilities. Number 2, many times people who are apprehended by the police that are human trafficking victims, they're tried as prostitutes. The problem with this is that not only are they not seen as victims, but they are not provided with the resources or guidance to get out of their current situation. Number 3, human trafficking is a $100 billion a year global industry. Unfortunately, that shows that there is demand for this service, so it continues to be a thriving industry. The Labor Organization has estimated there are 24.9 million human trafficking victims a year, and this study was done in 2017. If you're interested to read more about the subject, go to the link in my bio and click the second link titled Viking News. In that, you will read an article I wrote for the school website for LBCC. And yeah, let me know if you have any questions. And the National Human Trafficking Hotline is 1-888-373-7888.